Alright guys, so I just wanted to make a video for your final and really quickly go over all the ways to answer these questions. So let's start off with A. A should be really easy in Google Sheets. You should just be able to type equals average and open that cell, select your range, and then just hit enter. B, there's a really nice way to do it, which is just to type equals max, select your range, minus the min, and select your range, and then hit enter. For C, the median, there's also the median function, so that should be very easy. And for mode, same thing, so I won't go over that one. For standard deviation, you just type equals stdev, and that should get you your standard deviation. Okay, so for number 2, how do we calculate the interest, or basically payments on a house? So for A1, all we need to do is go ahead and type equals PMT, and that's going to start our payment function. Okay, so the first thing that you have to put in, and I would go ahead and it should come up with an equation. If it doesn't come up with an equation on your Google Sheets, go ahead and call me over and I'll show you how to pull up the equation from this. If you type this and nothing has popped up to give you an example, let me know and I can come help you. But your first thing that should pop up is the interest. So we have a 3% interest, but this is your monthly payment, and I guess I wasn't specific about that, but a 3% interest would be 0.03 divided by 12, because this is your yearly interest, and we're looking for our monthly payments, because you have to pay your mortgage every month, right? So we're going to do 0.03 over 12, put a comma there, then the second thing that we have to do is put in the amount of years. Let me just verify this that I've got. So the number of payments that we're doing. So we've got 30 years, but we're paying 12 times a month. So we're going to do 12 times 30, because that's the total number of payments that we're going to do. And then the final amount that we'll do is just the total value of the house, which is $225,000. Now, it's important to not put a comma right there. Don't do that, because then Excel will think that your total house value is $225,000. So no comma right here. That's an important thing to remember. Okay, this should give us, in our practice problem, an amount of about 948. So once we've got our amount of 948, we can just go ahead and times okay, so that's it for that answer. For part 2, if we have a payment of 948, well, we do 948, we pay it 12 times in a year, and we pay it for 30 years. Now our total amount should be $341,280, and if you don't get this exact number, that's fine, as long as you get about $340,000. I just rounded with the 948. And then for part 3, what do we need to do? Well, we take the amount that we calculated, the $341,000, and we subtract the original value of the house. Now, why are we doing that? Because if you bought a house for $225,000, but you paid $341,000 for it, then how much did you end up paying in interest? Then that's just going to be $116,280. Now, that doesn't mean that it's a bad purchase, because as long as this amount is similar to your rent, then that's not really related to the question. I'm veering off topic here. So let's just go on to the next set of questions. Okay, so whoops. Well, I'll do another video.